Are you ready? Okay, I'm good.
About 1:15. This vlog is just now starting, and I haven't been recording all day today. I've been saving the battery life for this one trip that we're doing. We're going out to Rose Island today. We're on a boat, and we're heading out there now. Absolutely beautiful. It's breathtaking. Guys, let me just show you how crystal clear this water is. Guys, the sun, I just took off my sunglasses and the sun is insane. Oh my gosh. So we're getting snorkeling equipment and we're getting ready to go snorkeling. Guys, there's no one at this beach. Completely deserted. We have the entire beach to ourselves. This is just awesome. Let's go snorkeling. So guys, snorkeling was great. I just flew the drone a little bit. Did not crash, footage was good. Now we're just going to hang out here at the beach for a little while longer and then probably scuba dive some more. so we can snorkel. Alright, see you later, thank you. So guys, that was probably one of the best boat rides ever. That was just a great day for the kind of trip like this. Now we're down to the hotel, we're going to change, and then probably get something to eat, then probably change again, and then go back to the pool. So I got changed and everything. Now we're just here, we're going to eat dinner, and then I think we're just going to call it a night. Today's been an awesome day. I cannot wait for tomorrow. However, tomorrow will be a sad day because tomorrow we're flying out. But for what we can do tomorrow, it'll be awesome. So we're sitting outside for dinner. The view is incredible.